You got me tripping, tripping, tripping for your love. I'm tripping, tripping. I can't get enough. I'm tripping.
We bought some goods in, ano to? Guardian. Ito joke lang. Hindi ko alam kung anong shop to, pero yes. We got the goods. Ayan, ang bigat-bigat ng water. Ito na po siya. Naglalakad na po siya. Dala ang dalawang tubig dahil siya ay mabuting tao. Napakabuti niya pong tao at kaya niya na po yan dalhin hanggang sa condo. Ay, sa Airbnb. Yes! So, just got home and we bought like yogurt for probiotics because, you know, you need to eat your skincare. So, I got the strawberry one and we will try this first ever yogurt in the Bahamas. It's very gelatinous. Wow. It has like Orbeez. The strawberry one is good. I'm gonna try the mango one. Sarap the mango. 60 pesos for 4 pieces of yogurt. Getting ready, makeup and everything. So we're gonna go out to the coffee apartment. This is the fit I have for today. It's giving preppy girl. I'm wearing loafers, white socks, white shorts, and then this top. I don't know where I got this from, and a bag from her. Yes, this is from Alberto, my favorite local bag brand. And yes, this is the fit for today's video. My girlies, yes. We're on the way to the sea. Get him some drinks here.
One memo.
Again, hindi na naman natin that. So, ginawa kami yung mga yan! But yeah.
Ano to? Hindi to ano lang.
Tingin ng lashes. Tingin ng lashes.
Inisip po.
Tingin ng lashes. Yes, look at the lashes and the brows. It's so nice. Hindi mo nadali. Hindi
21 minutes.
This is where she got her lashes. Sensei nails and lash for one in this building. Yeah, here. Just search it, girl. It's beside this. Here. It's like bubble tea. Here's the cafe apartment. Yeah.
Dito kayo sa ano?
Let's go down. Let's take a video. For dinner. Ano ba yung straw? Walang straw. Here sa ano to? Skincare store. And ito siya. This is, I don't know. Siya na siya later. A hot, hot summer. This is cute. Here we got the goods. This is Sociola. Ay, gagi! Parang it's given Korea.
Sana hindi ka na lang bumili.
Mali ba natin?
Hello, baby.
Oh my gosh, there's like a lot of freebies, guys. Ngayon ko lang nakita. It's given Korea. Kasi sa Korea, guys, when you buy skincare or makeup sa Korea, ang dami nilang freebies. Kasi yung mga yung mga somehow full sizes sa Pilipinas, sample sizes lang siya sa Korea. So, if you want like more makeup and more skincare, Korea talaga yung puntahan nyo, gano'n. Pero we got this Sociola. So we're going home, guys. We're early pa tomorrow, but I'm gonna have a haul later once I go home. Or hindi, upload ko na lang yung haul sa TikTok para siya. But yes, let's go. Tingin-tingin lang muna kami dito while waiting for a Grab. This is my night.
Hold on me, it's not the missing. You got me tripping, you got me tripping.